To hard reset your Motorola Moto G15 through the recovery mode, first you will need to enter the recovery mode. So you can do it by clicking on the power button and volume down, volume up button together at the same time until you'll be able to see the recovery options. And this may take a while. So here we have it. Now we need to navigate this menu using volume up button to scroll down or up, or to select and click on OK, you need to use the volume down button. Now let's select recovery mode right here, and then click on volume down button to open it. And here's no command window, and we can enter recovery mode right now by clicking on all of the three buttons at the same time multiple times, and you can try to do it slowly so that you won't just reboot your phone. And here we have it. So next step is to scroll down. Let me show you that. Scroll down using volume down button until we have a option to reset our device. So wipe data and factory reset, click on confirm with the power button, and then scroll down and confirm it again with the power button to factory reset and hard reset your device. And that is basically everything.